Four major businesses in Redmond have either completed or are currently undergoing expansion at their facilities. Max Goldwasser explains how this can help the hurting economy.
In the midst of this recession and all of the uncertainties caused by the coronavirus, I'm told industrial projects in Redmond, like the one behind me, are at an all-time high.
Since the last recession that officially ended in 2009, 2010, we've had anywhere between 2 and 5 construction projects going on the industrial side of Redmond. Today, you've got 5+.
BASX Solutions, Medline, SnowTemp, and Central Oregon Medical Specialists, all making upgrades to their facilities in Redmond. BASX, a firm that makes data center cooling and other high-tech systems, announced Wednesday it broke ground on a 75,000 square foot expansion at its headquarters. Medline wanting to do the same. The medical device reprocessing facility will be doubling in size when that's completed. SnowTemp, a food fulfillment center, already finished its expansion project last November. And Central Oregon Medical Specialists, they're building an additional 6,000 square feet at its location in Northwest Redmond.
Suffice to say, while other parts of our economy are hurting due to COVID, there are several parts of our economy that is really exploding right now with these company expansions.
John Stark credits that to the demand for manufacturing and medical services that's still going strong, which is good news for the Bend-Redmond area, whose unemployment rate was last reported at nearly 16% in May. All 4 of those companies are already some of the largest in Redmond, with more than 400 employees combined. Stark estimates these expansions will open up 15 to 100 new jobs.
Plus, these properties going in are additional property tax revenue for our local jurisdictions and taxing districts.
City officials could not give an estimation on just how much tax revenue these 4 projects would bring in, but they did say residential, commercial, and industrial permit valuation for 2020 is at more than $70 million, a 34% increase from last year. In Redmond, Max Goldwasser, News Channel 21.